Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. So excited today to be bringing you this quick video tutorial using the HTVRONT A100 Auto Multi-Heat Press. I made all of these items using this one machine and I can't wait to show you how. So if you're interested, keep watching.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put on these heat resistance gloves. We're going to plug in our machine and then select the mode button and keep clicking it until we get over to t-shirts and then hit the start button. We're going to pull the top part of the heat press. This is a 12-inch by 10-inch heat press. Once that piece and the bottom mat are in place, we're going to plug in the heat press, and then we're going to set our temperature, our time, and our pressure. So while that is heating up, that button will flash red. Once it's green, we can get our shirt in place. Now, I'm going to be using a DTF transfer that I ordered with my logo. You can also do sublimation transfers on this heat press as well. So right now I'm just getting it centered and putting that heat resistant sheet. Press the start button. It goes down automatically at the temperature, time, and pressure you set it for. Then you pull it out. And you do want to let this cool. It is a cold peel. So let it cool for a little bit until you can peel off the transfer paper. And then I like to put it back in for about 10 seconds just to do a final press on it to make sure that transfer is going to stay in place. So as you can see, I've removed the heat mat from the bottom and the heat press from the top. I am going to select the mode for tumbler, and it's going to adjust up high enough that I can now attach the tumbler press up to the top. You just have to press it until it latches in, then plug it in, and we'll do the same step where we are going to set the temperature, the time, and you cannot change the pressure for the tumbler. It is just a set time or set pressure, sorry. So once we have that all heated up, we will put our tumbler wrapped with our transfer paper and heat resistant tape in there. It's going to time it automatically. Please be sure to wear heat resistance gloves when you take it out. Look how hot that thing is. You're going to want to let it cool down for quite a while before you peel that off. The last thing we're going to use is the hat press. And so the bottom piece goes into that hole at the bottom. You see that I put it in the hole and then turned it to secure it. And then you're going to attach the top just like we did the tumbler press and the heat press. Again, we're going to adjust our temperature, our time, and our pressure for our hat, and then plug that element in so it can heat up. Now, once you place your hat on the bottom piece, there is a hat stretcher that it will help hold it tight. I am using an embroidered patch from Hobby Lobby. It's a little bit sticky, so you're just going to put that under there, and then once you can hit start, it'll press it down and it will come back up when it is done. I did not put the heat resistant paper sheet over it, and it worked just fine.
Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in more information about this machine, in how you can make hats, shirts, and tumblers, please see the information in the description box below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye.